Okay, let's look at example A. This is what most of the problems are going to look like. They're going to have two, and then they're going to ask you which statement is true or which statement is false. Alright, so the box plots below describe the height of hockey and volleyball players. So first thing I think we should do, I'm going to move things around a little bit, and I'm going to make these boxes bigger because this is where we're going to put all of our information. So first I have the hockey players. Okay, the things that we need to find are the median, the lower quartile, the upper quartile, the interquartile range, and the regular range. Alright, so first, for the hockey players, the median is right there. It's halfway, it's on the line that's between 68 and 72. And I said that's right at 70. So my median is 70. Okay, the lower quartile for the hockey players is this line right here, which is between 64 and 68. That's going to have to be 66. The upper quartile is right here. Okay, well, that one at least has a number at it. It's going to be 76. All right, the interquartile range is the upper quartile minus the lower quartile. So it's 76 minus 66, which equals 10. And my regular range, that is the upper extreme minus the lower extreme. So that's going to be right at 78 minus 64. And that is going to give me 12. Okay, now I need to do the exact same thing for the next one, for the volleyball players. So I'm going to need to find the median, the lower quartile, the upper quartile, the IQR, the interquartile range, and the regular range. Okay, so for volleyball, the median is right here. It's between 72 and 76. That's going to be 74. The lower quartile is the left side of the box, right there at 68. The upper quartile is right here between 76 and 80. That's going to have to be 78. The interquartile range is the upper quartile minus the lower quartile. That's 78 minus 68, which equals 10. And my regular range is the upper extreme minus the lower extreme. The upper extreme is 84, and the lower extreme is, that looks like 67. And that's going to give me 17. Okay, so on to the question. It says, which statement is best supported by the information in the box plots? So it wants a true statement. Okay, so A says both the range and the median height are greater for the hockey players than for the volleyball players. Okay, well, it says both the range and the median. I'm going to do one at a time. So first, it says the range for the hockey players is greater than the range for the volleyball players. Okay, let's see if that's true. What is the range for the hockey players? It was 12. They're saying that is greater than the range for the volleyball players is 17. Okay, so is 12 greater than 17? No, it is not. This is a false statement. And you know what? I don't even have to go to the median. It's already false, and I'm looking for a true. So this one cannot be my answer. I don't even have to go on to that. Okay, B says the range is less for volleyball players than the range for the hockey players. Okay, so they're saying that the range for the volleyball players is less than the range for the hockey players. Okay, so the range for the volleyball is 17, and they're saying that that is less than, the range for the hockey is 12. Is 17 less than 12? No, it is not. That is another false statement. And if you look at it, really, that's the exact same thing that we did in A. It's just backwards. Okay, C says the interquartile range for the volleyball players is equal to the interquartile range for the hockey players. Okay, so the IQR for the volleyball is equal to the IQR for the hockey players. Okay, IQR for volleyball is 10. And they're saying that that should be equal to the IQR for hockey is 10. Is 10 equal to 10? Yes, that is a true statement. Okay, just in case though, let's look at D. The median is greater for hockey players than the median for volleyball. Okay, so the median for hockey is supposed to be greater than the median for volleyball. Median for hockey is 70. They're saying that that is greater than the median for volleyball is 74. Okay, is 70 greater than 74? No, that one is false. So we're looking for the true statement. We have a false, false, true, and false. There's only one true. That is our answer, C. Okay.